We're at Buchanan Motors Camden. There we go. About to take the X6 for a test drive. Problems. Ryan, say hello to the camera and the people then.
Hello.
Listen, this car is giving me trouble right now. We're gonna see if Ryan can identify the problem. You feel it? You feel like it's in?
No seatbelt, young man.
Yeah. For real, you know what? That's what we need to do. What do you think? Do you sense anything right now? Do you feel anything different?
Just heard there's going to be one extra game show.
So, listen, yeah, I had to leave my car because they're just gonna check over all the fluids, the differential fluid, transmission fluid, what else? Even power steering fluid. To be fair, check all the brakes, brake pads, see that nothing's seizing, and then hopefully I get a call, and that should be it. You know? But if anyone else is experiencing this, their car struggling to move forward or backwards after a cold start in the morning, let me know. You know, drop it in the comments. I'll be interested to see how many people are experiencing the same thing. My brother has said he's experienced it today. My cousin said she experienced it a few weeks ago, so I'm curious. Drop a comment below. In the meantime, yeah, hopefully I get a call and we'll see what they say. Alright. I'm at my mum's house and we're waiting for the car. I'm there with my brother.
Turn off that camera, fam.
Yeah, he's just talking.
Turn off the camera, bro.
Stop chatting was, fam.
Fuck the YouTube thing, bro. You're big up the yard, man.
This guy's moving
Hey,
mad.
turn off the camera, bro.
Moving mad.
Hey, turn
Anyway.
off the camera.
Yeah. Anyway, my lot, yeah. let's hope the X6 recovers, yeah, nicely. Get me? All right.
1 week later.
All right, listen, we're at the mechanics, yeah. Come to get the car. Today's the day. Car's ready, as you can see. Yeah. Back out. What's this here? Ah. Okay. But yeah, we are here. My brother's come. You know what I mean? We're gonna show you the bill. That, yeah.
Pow! Pow!
It's a total.
You know what A4B?
Yeah. Ryan, this is my mechanic right here. Ryan, tell us, man, what happened? This price, have you seen? Ryan, how hard was it? How hard was it? It was hard.
It was tough, yeah.
How many hours do you reckon?
Good couple of hours. Because they have to take out the whole transmission and thing.
But the gearbox I got was good, right?
Which one?
The one that I got delivered here.
Yeah. That's
It's a good one, isn't it? It's got everything.
Everything.
So it was somewhat easy. Yeah. Ryan didn't even know the price. Just doing the work. Ryan, look at that. Hey, you know, I've already paid 2,500 on top of this.
You see, was it MG that? So what do you say? Big car, big problems.
Hey,
Big car, big problems, man. Hey.
MG used to say that. He's mechanics that I used to deal with back in the day. Big car, big problems, he used to say. But yes,
You have to be prepared.
this, now, it's on the hard grind. We're gonna be making a lot of video, a lot of content.
Trying to get the money back right
We're
now.
gonna make the money back today.
With this vlog.
This vlog right now, this is what we're doing. Buchanan. I'll put it up there anyway. Yeah, for those that want to know, this is where we get the stuff done.
Yeah.
Buchanan's Motors.
Nah, you look well, man. Honestly, man. Yeah,
Looking a bit rough, guys. I've been a bit ill lately, but yes, you know, got the car back. That's what we're here for. And I'm happy.
Oh, listen.
So, yeah.
Listen. I'm trying to do the same thing you do.
Ryan,
Same thing.
thank you, Ryan.
No problem.
This is my guy. Yeah, for years now. You know what I mean? Every car I've had, he has seen.
Yeah.
And the money just keeps rolling in. Yeah, no, listen, yo, I'm a good paying customer, man. I mean, these big bills, you know?
That is funny.
Oh, man. But yeah, guys, we're at Cousin Cooks.